Here it is, a Silver Supermarine Spitfire from 1943, abandoned and forgotten, sitting quietly in an overgrown junkyard. With a soft brush, we began to remove the layers of dust from the cracked canopy, each stroke revealing the beauty hidden beneath decades of neglect. Now, a gloved hand carefully wipes away grime from the RAF badge, revealing its chrome shine for the first time in years. Dry leaves are gently swept away, dried mud carefully scraped from the fuselage, every motion deliberate, every surface touched with care. A low-pressure rinse flows across the aircraft, washing away years of dirt, before a thick, foamy layer covers the wing, preparing it for a deeper clean. Riveted panels scrubbed with a soft bristle brush, slow circular motions, precise, almost meditative, and finally, a sponge glides effortlessly across the surface, lifting stubborn grime away. Attention now turns to the landing gear, each tire groove cleaned meticulously with a stiff brush, because here, every detail matters. The canopy glass is wiped clean, revealing perfect reflections, while tiny brushes reach into every cockpit corner, leaving no edge untouched. Water droplets cascade from the wing edges, catching the light, a quiet reminder of the transformation underway. A technician inspects the metal surface, feeling oxidized patches, tapping lightly, checking for hidden rust, then stepping back, surveying the aircraft as sunlight reflects off the partially restored metal. The canopy opens with a subtle creak. Compressed air blows away decades of dust. Instruments are unscrewed, wires disconnected, and the pilot seat slowly lifted out. Floor panels are removed, control sticks detached, rusty pedals extracted, each component handled with precision, every wire untangled and carefully sorted on the workbench. Now, attention shifts to the metal itself. Rust residue is wiped away, bare metal polished, rivet lines refined. Sanding blocks smooth the surface, dents carefully tapped back into shape. Body filler spreads across imperfections, then sand it down to perfection. Gloved hands glide across the surface, checking every inch. Compressed air clears the dust. And finally, an anti-corrosion coating. The engine cowling lifts, revealing a dusty, neglected engine. Brushes and cloths remove layers of grease. Bolts loosen, components cleaned with precision. Carbon buildup carefully scrubbed away. Crankshafts polished. Pistons reinstalled. Every torque click precise. Lubrication oil drips slowly onto critical components. The heart of the Spitfire begins to breathe again. Landing gear joints cleaned and lubricated, shock absorbers polished, wheel hubs coated in matte black, tires treated, the fuselage sanded to perfection, dust cleared, primer applied in smooth, even passes. Then, a silver base coat spreads beautifully across the aircraft. Rotary polishers bring the fuselage to a brilliant shine. Microfiber cloths glide across every surface. Instruments reinstalled, panels secured, wiring reconnected. The pilot seat locked into place, and the canopy polished to crystal clear perfection. Landing gear bolts tightened firmly. The propeller carefully mounted. Every rivet inspected, every seam checked. Hands glide across the fuselage, ensuring absolute perfection. Spitfire stands reborn, bathed in warm studio light. Slow pans reveal its polished fuselage and gleaming RAF insignia. The Rolls-Royce Merlin engine roars to life, the propeller spinning. Golden sunlight dances across the wings. The aircraft moves forward, sleek, powerful, alive once again. A full 360-degree reveal showcases its glory. A legend restored and reborn.